So with that, I'm going to hand it over to Minghui, who has a really, really interesting presentation about the state of mobile video in China. And then, as I said, after Duran Wesley from Tremor is going to talk about mobile video from a global perspective, and then we'll take some questions. So, welcome, Minghui.
Thank you. Today, I want to share with you the mobile and video advertising progress in China. I'm Minghui from Miaozhen System. I'm founder and the CTO of the company. We are the largest third-party ad tracking and serving company in China. China has the largest population in the world. With growth of the mobile internet, all of us expect a promising mobile advertising business in China. But is it coming true? Let's see the answer from this video. Okay, as mentioned in the video, although in China we can see an extremely promising mobile market, but the mobile ad spending is only 1% of the total media spend. Now the iPhone is bigger than bigger, but the mobile ad spending in China is still smaller than smaller. Why? Where is the other 99%? Let's see some more numbers. First, let's see the media spending. This chart shows China's media budget over years, from 2005 to 2013, including the internet, outdoor, magazine, newspaper, radio, and TV. We cannot see the mobile part because it's very small, only 1%. Here we can see the internet part booming from 2009 and reached 24% in 2013. And also the TV part only dropped 13% in 8 years. On the other hand, let's see the time spent on different medias. This chart shows the time spent on different medias in the US and China. It is really interesting that Compared to the US, the people are willing to spend more time on the internet and mobile, even more on TV. As I know, many young people in big cities such as Beijing and Shanghai do not even have a TV in their apartment. So based on this fact, we believe that the TV's 50% budget should flow to the internet and mobile. And also this 50% will be a bright future for the internet and mobile. But the question is how? How to leverage the budget allocation? We believe the video is a silver bullet because its the format is similar as the TV ads, and also it's very easy to be accepted by the advertisers who understand TV better. And of course, mobile is the bright future for the internet. So in the digital advertising, we think that there are two keys, the video and mobile. Here I listed the challenges we are facing when we promote internet and mobile video ads. The publishers need someone to help them to prove the value of their video inventories. And also advertisers, as well as ad agencies, once they want to give more money to the video inventory, they need someone to help them to allocate budget, evaluate campaign, also optimize the performance. 10 days ago, right here in New York City, a Chinese company named Alibaba became the biggest IPO in history. And their business started from the third-party payments, and which solved the trust problem between the e-commerce buyers and sellers. So we believe in digital advertising industry, especially in China, we also need a third party which solve the problem between the publishers and the advertisers. Well, actually, in the recent 5 years, Miaozhen system as a third party are trying our best to play this role in China. And our core business is to help the advertisers and the publishers to cope with these challenges, especially in video. And with the neutral and third-party position, we got trust from more than 70% of the big clients in China and became the largest third-party technology company in China. And right now, our product mix reach helps the advertisers and ad agencies allocate budget between TV and digital videos over $8 billion every year. And also we provide the third-party ad tracking and serving technologies to them. Every day we help them to track more than 5 billion impressions and served over 1 billion ads. As a down-to-earth engineer, I want to share some concrete experience as what we are doing here in China. As mentioned before, there are two keys, the mobile and video. And we summarize 3 keywords to let the 2 bullets fly. We call it CCP, comparable, cross-screen, and programmatic. By the way, it is very easy to be remembered if you think it is Chinese are creative people. I will explain them one by one with logic and the actions behind it. First, let's see the comparable. That means we need to make TV and digital video comparable. In other words, we need to enable TV language in the digital video, rather than reinvent some new concept from the very beginning. As we all know, the TV systems are very mature, widely used, and already accepted by everyone. So in digital video, we should standardize the market segmentation and the metric system in the same way as TV. We also need geographic, demographic, GRP, reach, and frequency. We can also say most of the concepts are directly copied from TV, but they are of a totally different digital implementation. As we know, China has a similar area as the US and twice as much than the EU. We have a very complicated population composition and the social classes. When we promote brands on TV, we usually use different strategies in different markets. So the market segmentation is a basic problem we have to tackle in China. Because the IP address is closely related to the geolocation, so usually we will use IP geodatabase to do the geo-targeting in digital. But in China, we have not enough IP addresses. We have over 600 million netizens, but we only have 300 million IP addresses. So the dynamic IP address is not enough. It's a headache for every ad tech company in China. To solve this problem, we promote and founded an IP geo working group under IAB China. And the members from different companies shared IP geo data with each others. And we merged them together to a standard IP geo database. Right now, this standard IP geo database is updated every 6 months and adopted by most of the biggest publishers in China. Also, we are set up another standard which fill the gap between the TV and digital video on demographic segmentation. And the advertising metric system is another comparable issue. Several years ago, Miaozhen brought TV GRP system to the digital video, and also we built a similar system named iGRP. Right now, the iGRP system is highly recognized by top advertisers and ad agencies, also the publishers in China. And with the help of audience panels and techniques, the digital video can be tracked and served in the same way as TV, including the GRP, reach, frequency, demographics, geographics, target audience. Everything in TV world can be done in digital frontier today. Now we move to the second keyword, cross-screen. Once there is no longer gaps in concept between TV and digital video, we need a tool to make the advertising execution smooth. That means when we do the budget allocation, campaign measurement, we need them support multiple screens. I guess the Chinese netizens must have the most fragmented time spent on different devices and video screens. We have not only desktops, laptops, mobiles, pads, cables, we also have IPTVs and office building TVs. They are very common in cities. Even on the PC and mobile, people usually have 3 to 5 video apps installed. The screen fragmentation means audience overlap, and also this overlap brings huge challenges when we do the pre-buy and post-buy execution. When allocating budget and evaluating the campaigns, we should consider the overlap between the different medias. Miaozhen developed tools named the Mixed Reach to help the advertisers and the publishers to allocate the budget, and also help them to improve their overall ROI. The Mixed Reach solved the problem by making use of the survey data to do the overlap estimation. And right now, Mixed Reach is becoming a standard tool to many ad agencies in China, and a lot of TV budgets was shifted from TV to digital video based on the Mixed Reach's results. The ad monitor tool is our product for the cross-screen campaign evaluation. And it is an algorithm-based solution for the advertisers. Advertisers can measure campaign performance over multiple screens, including iGRP, reach, frequency, by demographic, by the geographic. And also, we are testing a standard system to do the single source matching system, which could provide more accurate pre-buy and post-buy results. And the programmatic is the third keyword, which everyone loves to talk about it today. And all the advertisers agree that the impressions do not buy your product, it's consumers do. So in digital world, the target audience optimization is the biggest advantage compared to the traditional TV. Miaozhen system help our clients to build their own customized programmatic platform. We start our programmatic journey from 2010, and we found there were too many challenges in China at that time. For example, the big publishers, they develop them a serving system by themselves without any standards. And they are not willing to integrate their system with the other third-party ad servers. So all the premium inventory are direct sales. You cannot find any good inventory for RTB mode. So I share a case for P&G. We help them to build a programmatic system widely used and supporting the video ad serving in 2012. In this case, we cooperated with a global DSP and helped P&G to build a hybrid ad exchange platform, which could provide the programmatic direct buy model and also the RPV model. And all the premium inventory of P&G can be optimized and served in this platform. Right now, we already served more than 70% of the P&G China's total budget every year. I think it's the best practice for the top advertisers in China, maybe in the world. And the IAB standard helps us a lot when we integrating with the publishers and DSPs. And it is hard to think we managed to link over with more than 10 big publishers, video publishers. And IAP standard, this works greatly accelerates the programmatic process in China, and all participants will benefit in the near future. And this works we have done already shifted a lot of TV budget to digital video. As we brought TV GRP to PC world, I think today is the right time for the mobile video ads to use a similar solution. With this kind of solution, I think the mobile ad spending, the 1%, will be bigger and bigger. And like China's population, the opportunities are huge. Thank you.
Thank you so much.